फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर। आज मैं आप सबको नोट्स देने वाला हूँ यूजीसी नेट का टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड से रिलेटेड नोट्स, जो कि पेपर 1 में काफ़ी मददगार होता है। तो आज पढ़ाई करेंगे बेसिक टीचिंग मॉडल। देयर इज़ नो बेसिक मॉडल ऑफ टीचिंग दैट argues well for all the situations. Two contrasting models are discussed here. These models separately or in combination could be used for different courses. पहला मॉडल क्या है? इंस्ट्रक्टर सेंटर टीचिंग। इंस्ट्रक्टर सेंटर टीचिंग is conventional approach. In this method, the instructor more or less control the material to be learned and the pace of learning while presenting the course content to the students. The purpose of this method of learning is to acquire, memorize new knowledge, of learn new skills. Instructor-centered teaching can also be described as pedagogical approach. Pedagogy is the art and science of teaching. It determines how the teaching occurs, the approach to teaching and learning, the way the content is delivered, and what is the student learned as a result of the process. In pedagogical approach, the learner is depend upon the instructor for all learning and the teacher assume full responsibility for what is taught and how it is learned. The teacher and instructor evaluates the learning process of the students. Learner-centered teaching. In this model, the learner is mostly self-directed and is responsible for his or her own learning. The students learn best not only by receiving the knowledge but also by interpreting it. That is, learning through discovery and at the same time setting the pace of their own learning. In this method, the instructor facilitates the learning of participants and help them by offering opportunities to learn themselves and acquire new knowledge and develop new skills. This type of teaching is also referred to as andragogical approach. Self-evaluation is also the characteristics of this approach. Nature and characteristics of teaching क्या है? The characteristic features of teaching include the following. It is different levels of teaching. It takes place in a dynamic environment. It is closely related to education, learning, instruction, and training. It is essentially an intellectual activity. It is an art as well as science. It tends towards self-organization. It is a social service. It includes lengthy period of study and training. It has high degree autonomy. It is a continuous process. Teaching is a profession. So friends, thank you. In the next video, I will give you the notes on different level of teaching. Thank you.